Yo, what's up guys? It's Suka. So, today I am here with my cousin, Tay, aka Burst Wolf. Congrats for him on 100 subs on YouTube. See, here he comes now. Today, we are riding motorcycle. More riding motorcycle. So yeah. Sorry for that. See? We're just going around this church right now. Just kind of cycling around. What's going on? See here, this one's mine. As you can see. I mean, I don't own it, but I'm using it. So, we're waiting for him to come back and do a lap around. Now, I don't know if I'll be able to get some shots of me on the motorcycle, but Tay or Burst Wolf can probably get those shots that we're looking for. So yeah. See, he's going around just right outside his house, and we're doing pretty well, I guess. We're sitting around just kind of having fun. His mom started it up for us, and I was in for it. I was kind of scared at first, but then I realized that it's not that bad. So yeah, here he comes back around. Any shots of me driving this thing, like on it? No, we don't got the GoPro. He went down there. Okay, here, record this. I'm passing the camera to my cousin. This is how I look like right now.
Here's Angra. I just think he took the shit in the street. What the fuck is he doing? Huh? Yeah.
It's fast on that thing. We got a beautiful sun today. I saw that we were riding the thing, and oh guys, he just fucking ran in. He just ran in without the the helmet. Apparently not how to ride without the helmet. So, you know, that's kind of stupid. But whatever. I wish I'm mobile, which is what I have to upload from right now. I mean, I think I do have my laptop here. So I might be able to do some, I don't know, not editing because I don't have an editing software. I got the hiccups too, but maybe I can tag my video at least. So you shut the bike down. I can feel like this is probably what it feels like in a fursuit. With this freaking helmet on, just having it on. It's all sweaty. Did it cut out and die? Oh, okay. This thing is hella high. There he goes, he's going for it. Okay, so, I'm gonna set the camera down real quick. I'm gonna take this mask off. Okay. I mean, yeah. So, it's my little brother Brogy. Shout out to him. One of the cutest little dudes in the world. I'm freaking all sweaty now. Damn. Freaking fursuit's gonna, you know, really gonna be something. I'm trying to hold this camera as still as possible, but it's kind of, I mean, I'm guessing I'm doing a good job. I'm just pacing right now. I'm not sure what to talk about right here. I just realized I was so excited to do this video. Now people might call me fake for this, but I forgot to kind of put on the voice that I use for my YouTube videos. But yeah, he's coming back now. Yeah, I'll go. Pass the camera back. This thing is fun. Y'all got money for this thing?
We can't hear anything you're saying. Where the hell would he go? Maybe it is.
I just got off Baby Rocket. Greatest motorcycle ever. Say hi to the camera, Bergie. Say hi to the camera.
Huh?
Say hi to the camera.
Want me to say hi to the camera?
Yeah. Okay then. Well, I'm gonna take my helmet off and then I'm gonna end the video. Probably. Okay, yeah, before I take it off. Look at the sky, peoples. Sky. You guys should read something. I'm sorry. Ugh. Oh God, this thing's sweaty. Okay. I'm gonna try to signal to him to do it again. Okay. Damn, freaking, when you're all sweaty and the wind's blowing on your face, it just feels nice. See, there he goes, he did it. We'll wait for him to come back when he stops so we can say bye. So, making a little joke here. Thank you guys for 0 subscribers. It means a lot to me. We're already on our way to being famous. But yeah, we're on our way, you know? 0 subs, anything can come from 0. Look forward. Don't be mad about 0 subs. Look forward to seeing how many you can get. There we go, I got the shot again. Oh brother, left his bike out here. His Spider-Man bike. Okay, so oh, the wind just feels so good. I wonder what I'll look like in 6 years. Guess we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, let's do the outro thing going on here. Okay, guys, here with Burst Wolf, and I don't know what to say.
You don't even know your name.
Oh, it's Suka. I do know my name.
Suka?
Yeah, Suka.
Suka?
Yeah, it's
Pick a name, bro.
it's another language.
Pick a name.
Pick a name, and so I don't know what to say. I guess congratulations
Bye.
on him for 104 subscribers and me for 0, which I already said.
You said you were making money off of YouTube.
I made a new channel.
Why?
The other one went dead. And I was only making 3 cents. I wasn't
Money's money.
Money's money. Back then, there's a lot of things you could buy with 3 cents.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we had fun riding this motorcycle. Hopefully you
I'm
guys...
gonna keep riding it too.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys had fun watching it. I mean, it's not as fun watching it, but
It's really not.
it's kind of cool.
It's really nice.
It's just kind of cool to see something so small go so fast. At least for me it is. But yeah, hopefully you guys did
The
enjoy.
littler ones go faster than this. And that's what don't make sense to me. They're like twice as small, yet they go like twice as fast. What the
Freaking-
hell?
Okay,
But
so
they run out of gas fast.
yeah, that's true. So hopefully you guys did enjoy.
Bye.
Make sure to like and
Subscribe to my
subscribe.
channel.
Yes. Bye. Shout out
Bye.
to